Hello everyone, welcome to Elite, what are we called now? Elite, she's some changing the name. Elite Pilates teacher training tip. Cooking eggs. There's more than one way of cooking eggs, unless you're vegan. So, spine curls. One way of teaching it. From a semi-supine position, you're going to tilt the pelvis back using your abdominal muscles, lift the pelvis off using your abdominal muscles, then engage the thighs as you wheel the spine up, segmentally controlling, so you take the weight across the shoulders, not into your head, keeping the feet and legs parallel and still, and then you wheel the spine back down. Don't worry about your breathing, just breathe. One bone at a time. Make sure you put the lower back down before you put the sacrum down, so you get a very distinctive butt wink, which you didn't see from Tanya. Her butt isn't winking at me today. So, if you've got a neutral pelvis, got a slight arch under your back. So, tilt the pelvis back. Lift the pelvis up, just using your abdominals, and then keep on curling. So now you use your bum, the hamstrings, the thighs. Take it up as a basic, a straight line between the shoulders, the pelvis, and the knees. The legs haven't moved. They did. And then wheel the spine down, one bone at a time. Look for this butt wink now. Go on, go down.
What is a butt wink?
What? So you put your lower back down, which means if you put your lower back, just hold it there. If you put your lower back down before your bum, it means you massively engage the lower abdominals in particular. Now lay your sacrum down and go to a neutral pelvis. And you should see distinctive as you put your sacrum down. Is your sacrum down?
Yeah.
I lost my hand. And that's just one way of doing a basic spine curl. There are loads of other ways, so watch our playlist for other ways that we can do it. Bye!
Bye!
Shh.